I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition.
Hello gang, and welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. If you're new here, I would absolutely love for you to stop, take a pause, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Jezidor gang. And for my returning subscribers, you already know I love you. So girl, today we are about to make some pasta and a little salad. We're about to make some Alfredo pasta. And I'm sauteing my onions, my bell peppers, and my garlic. And then we got our chicken in here. And y'all, these are my new pots that I got for Christmas. I totally forgot to show y'all. But these are the what brand is it? The Drew Barrymore line from Walmart. Baby, 10 out of 10. I actually want some more. And I also got her so purchased her cast iron. Well, I got it for Christmas. Her cast iron skillet is so pretty. This blue is so beautiful. And then it has the little gold knob at the top. So cute. And I have cooked in her. I cooked in her one time and I made some homemade cream corn. I'm just about to go ahead and chop up me some romaine so that I can make a fresh salad. So this is the pasta. Got the chicken, the bell peppers, the onions, the Alfredo sauce, and then we got a salad. It has eggs, cheese, cranberries, candied pecans, cheese, eggs, bacon, and croutons. So I'm about to chow down on this and I'll be back a little bit later. Good morning, Jezidor gang. Well, Aiden and I are headed into his doctor's appointment. I got my coffee and it's gonna be a good day. I'm in a great mood. So I'll talk to y'all in a bit because this lady is steering. Hey girl, so it's the end of the day and I've been to class. I've been to Aiden appointment. Now it's time to wind down. So I'm just about to wrap my hair and get ready to take me a shower because I'm tired and it's needed. You need to stay out of my way. We're having tacos tonight, something quick and easy. I got clinicals in the morning, so I gotta take my butt to bed because I gotta be up at 6 a.m. So my scalp has been itching so bad, so I used some Blue Magic to moisturize my scalp, which I know is probably gonna make my hair stick together, even though I just washed it. But I would much rather have a less itchy scalp And I'll probably just end up, I think I can put my hair in a ponytail, y'all. Uh-oh, look at your girl. Oh, your girl got a little hang time. But not today. I'ma still wrap it. I'm so ready to get like some braids or something because my hair needs a break.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat. Should they fold that bitch? No yoga mat. Chat. Should they dare that nigga? Don't hit me back. Chat. Should I ran that nigga? No questions asked. Chat. They chatting. They chat. When the sun was out, everything made me feel lonely. Had a sad thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to look good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, confessing line. Fucking stress off, that's my only right. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me.
So I got these really cool stickers from my classmate. She had these left over, so I picked out the ones that I like that I wanted to decorate my laptop with. So I chose to put these on my laptop for just like inspiration and little whatnots to look at to keep me going, to keep me motivated, and to remind me of the journey that's ahead that I am still on. So I just place these on here as a daily reminder to see what I'm working towards and just have that constant reminder. So this is actually pretty fun to do and very therapeutic. As y'all may or may not know, I have been on this journey for a while, and it's bittersweet to think that in 2026 I will be graduating. Fingers crossed, all praises to God that will actually happen. Currently on a great track, so hopefully we can just keep up the momentum and see it through. But I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I'll try to leave a link to where you could get these from if you are in respiratory therapy school. But the next day I just started a workout. I really needed to clear my head, clear my brain of thoughts that I were having that were negative. Anytime that I'm having negative thoughts or my brain feels cloudy and I don't feel as motivated as I normally do, I always pray, meditate, and definitely go to the gym and have a really good workout session. So this definitely got me back on track. I do feel back motivated, and I just got to get back in the swing of my weekly vlogs, but they are coming. And as I said in the last video, I would absolutely love for y'all to leave suggestions for future content ideas. So if you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and join the Jazzy Doll gang. And until next time,